In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills, also known as purchase invoices, in Zoho Books. If you're managing a small business or just keeping track of your finances, Zoho Books is a fantastic tool to help you streamline the process. Let's walk through the steps together to get your bills recorded efficiently. First, you'll want to open up your usual web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click that. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, but that's a topic for another day. Once you're logged in and standing at the Zoho Books dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Home tab to navigate your way around with ease. Now focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar and locate the Purchases section. This is where all transactional records will reside, making it a crucial step in our process. Click on Purchases and observe the menu that expands below it. Here you'll find an option labelled Bills. Click that and you'll be taken to an overview of any existing bills you might have. Now that we're in the Bills section, your work is about to pay off. You need to locate and click on the Create a Bill button. This will open up a new form where you can start entering the details of your new purchase invoice. This part is relatively straightforward, just make sure you have your supplier information and the necessary purchase data handy as you fill it out. Once your bill is all set up and verified, you can save it to your records. Remember, keeping this information updated helps you maintain accurate financial statements, which in turn assists in better decision making for your business. If at any point you need to connect your bank or credit card for seamless transactions, there's a handy feature for that as well. Head back to the dashboard and click on Connect Bank Credit Card. This will integrate your banking data with Zoho Books, simplifying the tracking of transactions and ensuring that all your financial information is up to date. There you have it. By following these steps closely, you're all set to efficiently record your bills in Zoho Books, helping you manage your business finances with less hassle. If you have any questions or face any issues, be sure to explore Zoho's support resources or community forums for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.